Blood still pulsing through his veins enough to still be her Viva.
You can do this work now. You have power now. You can make change now. And that's the message I want y'all to know. Number one, ride your own way. And number two, you can be anything. Thank you.
Because it's up to you guys to help change it. That is the most important part of this whole assembly, in my opinion, is that I get to equip people like you to work together to change our world.
Almost 60 years later, we must work with our fellow man, work with our neighbor to confront